It's been 15 weeks since I've been wearing mini braids back to back to grow my natural hair. In today's video, I give you an update and also I talk about the plans that I have for fall, autumn for growing my natural hair long, healthy and strong. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. It's a week by week I've been showing you progress on using mini braids to grow my natural hair. If you want to, you can go ahead and check out the playlist section to see each week progress in terms of my routine and my regimen and what I've been doing. I think you find those videos beneficial. Just want to say welcome or welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you taking the time out to check my channel and also to comment, leave me a like, all of that. I really appreciate all of the support on the channel. So what you can see me doing in the video is redoing the braids. Some of them have been in for the whole 15 weeks, so I'm just going ahead, searching through my hair and seeing whatever hair that needs updating and just re-braiding them. I have said before that each braid takes about, quite a while, about 8 minutes to take down and put back in. So I'm not doing more than 5 per day. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going over all my hair and redoing it. And by the time I finish a section, like it's pretty, a week by the time I do the back, 2 more weeks since I do the middle, and by the time I get to the front, it's time to redo all of them. So I envision myself being doing that all the way till December. I've been getting amazing growth, and so although it's quite a tedious job, it takes a lot of patience, I'm going to continue to do it because I'm seeing so much progress in my hair's length and health by doing these mini braids. I'm going to keep doing it, although it does take a long time. So the natures of this video is quite repetitive. All of my videos seem to show the same thing, but really and truly, if you keep to a consistent schedule with your hair, being consistent and sticking to a regimen, you will see growth. That's literally what I'm doing on this channel to grow my hair. Every week you will see me, moisturizing my hair, taking it down and putting it back in, being very gentle with how I handle my hair, and as a result I'm getting growth. If you do the same, if you literally copy what I do, then you'll be seeing progress on your hair as well. So this back-to-back braids challenge will be running in the autumn, and so it's a good time to really talk about autumn hair care now that the days are getting shorter and it's starting to feel quite cool after all the heat wave that we've had here in the UK. The weather is finally changing and you can feel autumn in the air, or as you call it in America, fall. So it's time to really think about the things that will change in our routine to help us to have successful hair growth in the autumn. Because I'm going to be continuing with the braids, it's quite easy for me. I think that's one of the biggest advantage of wearing mini braids, is that I don't have to think about what I'm going to do to my hair, but I'm actually thinking of putting a little bit of extensions on top of my hair, at least for a month or so. If I do that, I might show some clips in it just to give it a break. It's just something that I might do for the fall and just to give me a different look, because I've been wearing the same look for so long. But if I do that, then I will give you a quick update. I probably won't do a video on it, but I might show you an update of what it looks like if I decide to wait for like 3 weeks or so, but just a little change for the fall or for the new season that we're going in. My hair will still be mini braids, but that hair will be on top of my hair. Also, fall is a time when I think about covering my hair from the really damaging winds and change in air temperature. So I'm going to be probably wearing a lot more hats again, scarves again, to really protect my hair from the colder weather that I'm going to be expecting. Fall or autumn is also the time where I stop wearing my hair out. So I have been wearing my mini braids down quite a lot over the summer, but as it's coming back to fall, I'm going to be wearing more buns and stuff and tucking my ends under, because I will be seeing a lot more breakage to my ends with the harsher weather, with the wind, etc. So I'm going to be tucking my hair back. So for the autumn, I'm also going to be doing lots more deep conditioning treatments. Some of them I'll film for you, and some of them I'll, just do off camera, but I'll be doing a lot more. I've been washing my hair a lot more this summer, and it's really been helping my hair with hello hydration. So I'm going to keep doing that, but probably leave it on a bit longer as a deep conditioner. So deep conditioning is on the menu for fall. So is tucking my hair under, covering my hair, probably changing up the styling a little bit, but mini braids is definitely the way I'm going to be styling my hair for the next few months at least. With the thicker coats and jackets and clothes that I'm going to be wearing, it's going to be important that I keep my hair up. So not just in bun, but anytime I'm wearing my hair down, I'm going to make sure that my hair is off my shoulders so that it doesn't rub on anything and so that I don't lose any hair at the back. Those are the things I think about as the weather changes. So I do want to thank you so much for watching so far in the video. If you've not done so, do go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Would really mean a lot to me. Also, check out the playlist section of this channel where you can find lots and lots of videos on how to grow your natural hair in 2022. So let's get back to the video. For this day of reinstalling my hair, I actually decided to take out a bunch of my hair all together and then to redo them. I've just been doing one braid here and one braid there. They still take the same amount of time to put in and to take out, to pull out quite a few of my hairs together. But I'm just simply taking them down very gently and then reinstalling them. One thing I don't really talk about is the shrinkage that I get with my mini braids. You can see when I'm just putting the mini braids back in my hair how long my braids are, and then after I've gone and put it filming the next video, my hair looks really short. That's because it's shrinking a lot, and I do wet my hair every day, so that all of that water is causing a lot of shrinkage. So my mini braids look quite short compared to their stretched out length. That's absolutely fine because shrinkage is a characteristic of our 4B, 4C hair, so that's something to be expected. So finally, for the autumn or winter, for my natural hair care, I'm going to be doing lots of Aveda mixtures, DIYs, and I'm going to be implementing them into my hair care. I am going to be sharing some of those videos on my channel. And then also I'm going to be trying to get out a product in my upcoming product line. So do look out for that as well. If you are in the UK, you'll be able to purchase those products. So back to the video then, you can see that I'm getting quite a lot of growth from these mini braids. From May, I've had almost 3 inches of hair grown from something that's so cheap and so simple to use. So I'll be continuing to do mini braids on my natural hair, and I advocate that you do the same. If you have any comments, any questions on this regimen, on my technique, do pop them down below in this video, and I'll be grateful to answer them. I am going to be doing an updated virgin fertilizer and also cloves update, because I'm going to be starting back those growth aids after a pause, and I'm going to be doing a video on why I pause using those growth aids, so do look out for those coming up as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my 15-week back-to-back mini braids update, and also my plans for hair growth in the autumn or fall if you're in America. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.